In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in PowerPoint. To get started, open the Lucidchart diagram you want to place into your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you're inside the editor and looking at the finished version of the diagram you want to use. This is important because the version you export is the one that will appear on your slide. So it's a good idea to quickly check that everything looks correct before moving on. Once you're in the editor, go to the top menu bar and look toward the left side. Click the hamburger icon to open the menu. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to download. In most cases, PNG, JPEG, or SVG will work well. If you want a simple, reliable option for PowerPoint, PNG is usually a great choice, and that's the format we're using in this example. After selecting the format, a new page will load with a preview of your diagram. On the right-hand panel, you'll see several export settings. Here you can adjust the file format if needed, choose crop options, and set the image quality. You may also see an option called Include Page Fill, which can affect the background appearance of the exported file. Take a moment to review these settings so the final image looks the way you want it to in your presentation. When everything is set, click Download in the top right corner, then wait a few moments for the diagram to finish downloading to your computer. If you're not sure where it's saved, it will usually go to your default downloads folder unless you chose a different location. Next, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the Lucidchart diagram to appear. At the top of the window, click Insert on the ribbon. Then choose Pictures, followed by This Device. Your computer's file browser will open, and from there you can locate the diagram you just downloaded. Select the file, then press Enter on your keyboard or click Insert to place it onto the slide. Once the image is added, you'll see the diagram appear directly on your slide. You can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere you like. You can also use the resize handles around the image to make it larger or smaller. As a quick tip, resizing from the corner handles usually helps keep the image proportions looking correct. And that's it. Your Lucidchart diagram is now embedded into your PowerPoint slide and ready to be used in your presentation.